Just want to show y'all spring is officially here. It's my grapefruit tree, my greenstalk, vertical growers, greenstalk, loquat, mangoes, greenstalk, lemon guava, back there, orange tree, it's satsuma, avocado back over there, it's full of flowers, passion fruit, more satsumas, another satsuma. See the avocado. Okay. My vertical grower, my greenstalk vertical grower. My mango tree is flowering. My other greenstalk vertical grower, all kinds of stuff in it. Yeah, turns. Same with this one, pomegranate. Have lemons all over. Feijoa or pineapple guava. Pineapple guava. More lemon trees that I have here. That's a lime, and that's my most beautiful lemon. Blueberries all up in here. I have more seeds that I've sown here, getting ready. Here, my persimmon tree. Isn't that sunset beautiful back there? Then I have more trees here. Persimmon. A little baby persimmon tree that's leafing out. This is a jujube. It's leafing out too. And this is my apple tree. It is leafing out too, right there. You can see it's opening up, it's waking up. Yeah, just wanted to share that with y'all. Bye, guys.